My name is Marian Jazmik and I'm a textile artist based in Bolton, Lancashire. I am also a keen photographer and I enjoy taking macro images of nature's surfaces, and these become my inspiration. What I actually enjoy most about making is experimenting with different fabrics and also different components. Using components such as plastics, wires and packaging that would otherwise go to landfill is a key feature of my work. Using these along with free machine embroidery enables me to create textile wall art, vessels and sculptures. My favourite tools are heat tools, especially the hot air gun, the soldering iron and even the naked flame. Using these tools enables me to deconstruct, manipulate and distort both the fabrics and the components that I use. My workroom is a converted room in my home, and living on the edge of the Pennine Moors provides me with a wealth of inspirational material captured whilst out walking. I hope you have enjoyed a sneaky peek at my process, and I hope to see you at a SDC show very soon.